Dominoes in Mirpur, newly opened. We had to try this out. So we're doing KFCs, now we're doing Dominoes. This is Subiz. We'll show you when you come out.
Subiz opening over there.
We'll show you when you come out. Dominoes, let's try it out, give it a shout. Let's see if it's actually like Dominoes or just another pizza place.
Pizzas here are quite different, you know, they're not like the UK. Raw ingredients are different.
Completely different. We'll see how this one is.
See how this one is. I've got to say, the customer service is absolutely brilliant. The guy on the till explained everything to us, showed us like how the menu works and stuff, what deals they've got on, spot on customer service so far.
I think he was the manager, that's why. If he didn't show us a good service,
then who's gonna
forget the rest. Where are you?
बड़ी गर्मी है
गर्मी है
आपको लाइट लगी ना पे आप पक्के लाए ना कुछ
ऐसी तक है पसीना तो नहीं है सजी है
पसीना निकलना तो मोड़े ना
boiling no it's hot in here this is like it's not
warm
ओए बूशर माना ये बूशर माना डर गई this is the seating area decent amount of seats not bad
decent good space nice and clean just waiting for the food now
shame about the heating गर्मी हुआ है मी पसीना आया है इसकी भी पसीना आया तो अच्छा छोड़ यार take a piece of my head How much did we spend? We got 4 medium pizzas, about 3,600 for 4 pizzas, medium size, 10-inch.
that was an offer?
Yeah, it was an offer. So you get one is 1,300, not 1,400. We got 2 for 1,600, and then we got 2 bottles of one Dew, 1 Pepsi.
Sting and Dew hits different here.
I haven't touched Sting yet.
Sting hardy the other day, Dew hardy the other day. Too good. Mountain Dew in UK.
It's different. Go on, grab a slice. Pizza looks nice.
Okay, 2 seconds. Let me take a snap. We got the merch.
We
got the party plates as well.
The party plates. Later.
Hey, mask. Corona na lagi jaye. So try this peri peri one hai. It's been boiling. I just licked the peri peri sauce with my finger and guess you throw it.
Cheese hai.
Tatta bro, Kashmir tatta. Sara, this is thin in it? Tatta yara.
Cheese. Taki.
Nice, oh that's nice. I didn't get any of the chicken in, half the chicken fallen off. But that tastes nice, the crust is nice and soft, look at that. Baked well, not much thingy in it, tomato puree, like in Pakistan you don't really get that much tomato puree in it. Same here, this is the actual...
this is the deep pan. Chicken tikka.
This looks cheese as well. Yo. That's bad, look at that. Mouth went straight through it, nice and cheese Chicken's nice, taste of the chicken is nice. Peppers coming through, onions coming through, that's nice.
Crust is like Dominoes in England. The crust you can tell because they put that little dust on the dough. It is like a Dominoes pizza. I'm gonna rate that one. This got a lot more sauce than I think yours did. The sauce is, I can taste the sauce. Taste like proper tomato sauce.
Peri sauce.
No, this is not peri sauce.
Yeah, this is peri.
It must be, yeah.
No,
peri, yeah.
that's peri sauce.
Yeah, that's peri sauce.
That's tomato sauce. That'll be the red bit. I'll try the deep one.
Chicken tikka.
Yeah.
That's nice, that cheese.
Oh yeah. The cheese, the sauce. I don't think you can get any better than this. Dominoes, I rate it. This is a good one for the people in the UK. If you're gonna come to Mirpur, Dominoes,
best pizza you find.
Yeah, I rate it. I think it's good quality pizza, and it don't taste like any other Pakistani pizza. It's a proper pizza.
मजा आया यार? पहली बार आए हैं?
Mirpur पहली दफा आया हूँ।
ना है Dominoes.
Oh यार, opening में कराई थी।
ना।
जो कुछ खुलना है पहले होता पहुँचे होना। खोलो।
पहले मालिक भी नहीं पहुँचना है, खुलते आना है बाहर।
दुआ होगा मौलवी में हूँ।
How did you find Dominoes then?
Mashallah, it's so nice. I like it.
He said, "Mashallah, it's nice." He likes it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I like the peri chicken, the peri sauce. I suggest people to eat peri.
What about the chicken tikka?
Yeah, chicken tikka was nice, but if you need spicy, then should be the peri chicken.
Peri. What about the crust? Which one do you prefer? Thin crust or
thick? Thick is best.
First time using a hand dryer.
After Dominoes, you need to go Malik Juice Center,
Malik Juice Center?
Yeah.
मजे ना थी. Best pizza.
स्वाद आया? लेके आओ.
क्या pizza पसंद है?
कौन नहीं?
तू की करने भी ना बाती. तू कार ही रहे.
Next time तू कार ऐसे.
Yeah, he's a stay home.
और मजा आया? ठीक है.
ओ शेर बोल रहा मैं ये पका माशाल्लाह चंगा पिज़्ज़ा सी
स्वाद आया
मज़ा आया इधर
इस तू बेहतर कहता है खाता है या ये सब तो बेस्ट है
सब तो बेहतर सी ये ला
अल्लाह
और दुए फंसी आए हैं फंसना नहीं सही
this guy
He's the shyest of them all. He is exactly like England.
destroyed
They knocked it back. You know they lived it when they knocked it back. All the pieces gone, drinks gone, everything's gone. So come down, check it out. You guys are gonna definitely enjoy this. So like for another video. We'll do another food vlog. Subscribe, comment. He's taking piss out of me.
let us know how you find Domino's as well in Mirpur.
Look how many people are sitting in this car. This is what you call Pakistan. All of us sitting in one car. There's 8 of us.
Hey bande fi on a motorcycle here bro
Aglama majburi nu aane jaan di pasuri nu.
हेलो गाइस तो आज हमारा है न्यू व्लॉग हम आए हैं मिल्क आजाद कश्मीर
ये कौन सी जगह है?
ये है मिल्क शेक
मिल्क शेक मलिक जूस सेंटर। इतना क्या मशहूर है?
दूध
दूध पानी
पानी ना दूध का आम
दूध अम्ब मिल्क शेक।
तो हम से चंगा ये तो पके भी लगे
पके भी लगे।